What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. I got something super exciting for you here today. The Sonos Arc. We've been dealing with the Sonos Play Bar for years now, and it's about time we got something new and exciting. In this video, I'm gonna be showing just a quick unboxing of this product. And then we're gonna kind of dive deep into some of the things you can do with it. How you can set it up with surround sound, add subs for low frequency bass, how you can integrate in architectural speakers with this amazing Atmos bar, which we'll explain what that is here shortly. If you guys aren't a subscriber, smash that subscribe button down below. All right, let's get into it. Atmos. I feel like that is something that I almost forgot to tell you guys. Okay, so Dolby Atmos is like the most popular thing right now in theater. This has Dolby Atmos enabled. What that means is, say we have a flat ceiling. Like in this room, it wouldn't be optimal, let's just say that. In this room, it's firing speakers up towards the ceiling, and it's supposed to bounce off the ceiling and hit your ear, emulating like a helicopter above your head. Big selling feature with this guy. Just wanted to make sure that you guys knew that that is really what this bar is about, is that height effect in combination with surround speakers, which you're gonna want these and the sub for the low frequency bass. Make sure to mention that to your sales rep when you call in. Okay guys, so let's get to the main attraction here. I'm gonna open this thing up. You can see one thing with their boxes that I just really love is the fact that they package everything like an Apple phone. I'm a big Apple dude, and it just looks clean, super easy to take out. You can see they just put a little pull tab down here, and then you unlock it. Same on this side. Whoop, it's already trying to come out on me. Right here. Unlock it. And then the top literally just comes off like this. All right guys, let's go over here and take a closer look at this bad boy. All right, check it out. Definitely a little bit smaller than the Play Bar. Ooh, so pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera over to the side. That way we can get it open. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this pulled out of here. Take a closer look. Man, they really got it wrapped up nice. Look at that. Whew. Sweet. All right. Inside of the box, looks like we got a few accessories. Getting started guide. HDMI. So one thing with HDMI, guys, is it carries ARC, audio return channel, into the unit. This one, I think, has an option for like an adapter for optical, but you're gonna want to have a TV that does support audio return channel, which pretty much all of them do these days. Power cord. There it is. I knew they would have this in there. This is a little adapter that allows you to go from digital audio out of the TV into HDMI so that you can make it work no matter what. So that's the accessories. Okay guys, this is a up close and personal look at the new Arc. Just gonna take you around it. You can see it's got a cylinder design. Up here we got our options, which we'll play with later for touching it. Like if you want to hit a physical button on it, looks like we have mute over here, or maybe that's for the voice control. Okay, and now this is the back side of the unit. You can see this is where you would wall mount it, which I'm actually going to make another video for you guys about how to wall mount this. We are an installation company and have a large preferred installer network, so make sure to ask about that. Check it out. We got our HDMI there. This is like the sink for setting it up. And then this is your hardwired connection. What we got over here? That's just power. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into some of the specifications on this unit. It has 11 Class D digital amplifiers that are perfectly tuned to the Arc's acoustic architecture. You got 8 elliptical woofers and then 3 angled silk dome tweeters that create crisp, high frequency and crystal clear dialogue. This is really getting me going. Far field microphone array uses advanced beamforming and multi-channel echo cancellation so that your voice assist can be readily activated. Okay, so this is going to be one of the biggest, coolest things with this unit. It's like the Beam, which in my personal opinion has terrible audio, but we've been selling a ton of them because it has the voice command built into it, kind of like the first Sonos One, not the numeric one, but you know, One. And what was so cool about that is we would use like the play bar, and then we would throw a couple ones at the back of the room so you could integrate in voice control, or maybe throw it in the kitchen on a counter so that you could tie in the voice control into the Sonos system. Well, this is the heart of your Sonos system now, and it comes built in with that microphone for Google and Alexa and all that good stuff. It's got Trueplay for tuning, calibration. It's like something you hold up your phone and it kind of helps do room correction. We got speech enhancement, and then night sound, reduces the intensity of loud sound effects. Okay, that's kind of some of their main selling features. If you guys are wondering about dimensions, this puppy is 3.4 inches in height, and then we got 45 inches in width and 4.5 inches in depth. It comes in both the black matte finish and white matte finish. So if you have like a super modern home, you might want to get the white finish, and you get your sub and the surrounds in that finish as well. So whenever you're calling in to make your inquiries, make sure to ask us about that, guys. All right, guys, well, that concludes our unboxing video of the brand new Sonos Arc. If you aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, because we're going to be dropping videos like crazy about this thing. You know me, I got tons of ideas. We're going to show you system setup. We're going to show you wall mounting. I'm going to show you how to hook the play bar to the sub, how to hook it up to surround speakers, and then we're going to get custom with it. And I'm going to show you how to hook it up to architectural speakers. What's super cool about the Sonos software is the fact that you literally can have combinations of hardwired, wireless, just so many different options, as well as finished speakers in your wall for the really nice, clean look. Lots of options here, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative in helping you make a buying decision. If you would like to purchase this product, make sure to give us a call and show your support. We really appreciate your orders, guys. It means the world to me. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.